This is Chris, Q37 VHR, and what you're hearing is a wheel bearing beginning to fail in a 2012 Infiniti G37, and also too on the left side, well, on the right side, well, the passenger side, all right, you have a, well, I have a, not you, I have a CV axle boot that needs to be replaced. It has some fluids leaking, and what you're hearing is the wheel bearing begin to fail. And this is on the driver's side of the vehicle, all right? And to be honest, with most wheel bearings, I usually, don't hear this roaring sound or whatever, this scraping sound. And for a while, I thought it was my brake shield or the dust, brake dust shield. I kept bending it because it was bent, so I kept bending it or whatever. And so it had got louder, over the last couple of days. And so today I finally had time to test out the wheel bearing. And how you do that is basically you jack the car up, make sure it's on jack stands, and you grab both sides of the tire and you shake it, and it had play. And as I was spinning the wheel, also you can hear it scraping, and it's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be smooth. So that's how I determined that it was the wheel bearing. But with most wheel bearings, you hear it humming, like you need to change your tires. It'll make the same sound. This damn school bus, gotta stop. Damn, why these kids don't have one bus stop? Oh, my bad. So yeah, I'm gonna make a video on the wheel bearings. How you replace it, what all you need. So luckily, well, not luckily, well, yeah, luckily, shit, if I still able to drive home. But that's where faith kicks in. Anyway, I make a video on how to replace the wheel bearings on an Infiniti G37. And so yeah, I'm gonna quit talking and let you hear this sound. Not the clacking. That's actually my dog tags. But yeah, you can hear this roaring sound. Yeah, that's the wheel bearing. So yeah, I will be doing a video on that. So guess you guys have a good day. Be safe out there.